You know, guys, I would really do that, but I don't know if I'm going to have the time to follow through and do the follow-up I need to do on that. You know, like I was saying, I really would love to do that mastermind, but I just don't know if I'm going to have the time it's going to take to unfold the whole thing. And I really would want to go to Curacao again, but I just don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. And I know they've opened up flight. We can go where we want to go, but I just don't know if I'm comfortable doing that. And you know, since we're talking about that, I really want to build my income. I want to build another income stream. I want to have more money coming in. But I just don't know how to do that. But I just can't seem to get the skills I need. And as we're going along, and I'm looking at all the things I'm doing, but I just don't have the time. I just don't know what I'm going to do because I don't have the skills, but I know I can get them, but I can't seem to get the course I need. And the courses I have, I didn't go through, but I could. I could use the courses I've already bought, right? I mean, I can use the courses I've got to grow my income and grow my business, right? But I have to take the initiative. Do you see where this is going? Do you see where the whole broadcast is going? So please comment on what you're saying, seeing, what you're thinking. Comment so I know you're there. Give me a hey, I'm here. Where are you from? Who is out there in the online business world? Say yes. If you're in the online business community, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're building your business, if you're building an income, I just haven't done that, but I could, right? It's right. I can do it, right? But I have to put the foot forward. I have to take initiative. I have to have my mindset in order, but I have to get that done first. But I can't do that if I don't know how to meditate. I can't do that if I don't know how to get my skills in order. This is just going, it's a whole roller coaster, guys. I haven't got it. So I'm just going to put that there. Okay. So I would like to see where you're from. I would like to see what you're doing. And I would like to see any questions or comments you have on so far what we've talked about in the last 3 minutes. 3 minutes can have a whole lot of gold nuggets in it, which I've just unloaded a boatload for you. So the big topic for today's broadcast is but. I wanted to do this broadcast earlier, but I just didn't put myself in the frame of mind to do it. I wanted to give you this broadcast yesterday, but I just had other things to do. Think about it. I wanted to be in tune with what you need, but no one commented, so I didn't know what you wanted. But now I do. So use your butt in the right way. And I don't mean what you're sitting on. I don't mean that hunk of fat or muscle, whatever you have back there. I don't mean that. I mean your words. Words are so powerful, guys. Words are so extremely powerful. And we don't realize just how powerful words are. They are everything. They trigger your mindset. They trigger your vibrations. The words you say to yourself out loud anywhere, the words coming out of your energy, out of your mouth, are what you will respond to. And it's what the universe will respond to for you. It's giving you what you ask for. If you are saying, I really want to have a home business that is prosperous and profitable, but I want to have money. I want to be able to have hundreds of dollars, money, hundreds of dollars, all in one spot. I want to have this money in cash that I can do whatever I want with. I want to have this as just being extra money. I want to have that but. And when you do that, and when you use that but repeatedly, when you use that but repeatedly, and yes, these are all hundreds, every one of them. And I have a few thousand here. But when you use that but repeatedly, it's going to sink into not just your mindset, but it's going to sink into your beliefs. Because you're going to have that but that's going to stop you at every turn, at everything you're doing. So stop saying, I want to, but. I have a skill, but. I need to get another skill, but. I have the courses I need to grow the business I want, but. That but will take you down, and it'll take you down hard, and it'll keep you there. That word but will keep you in the hole. It will be like someone put a house on top of you, and you cannot dig your way out. Because that is how powerful that one little 3-letter word is. The word but is really bad. I mean, it is bad news bear bad. So the more you use the word but in your vocabulary, in anything you're making an excuse. Excuses are not meant for the entrepreneur. Excuses are not meant for the home business person. Do you know that the reason why entrepreneurs fail, the reason why anyone fails in a home business is from excuses, from not doing something, excuses as to why this didn't happen? How many big excuses do you have because you did not follow through on what you needed to do? Who have you blamed? How many people have you blamed throughout your career, throughout this time you've started this? How many of you are saying, oh, my business isn't working because the world is in chaos? Bull hockey. That's not true. The world is in chaos. It is in a big cesspool. But that does not mean your business is not working. Our businesses are flourishing because we work hard, we put ourselves out there, and we move forward, and we never use but as an excuse to not have success. We never use but. I can't feed my family because but. Excuse. I know you're going to say, oh, Christy, it's a reality. You've got money. You don't know. I do know. I understand fully 100% where you're at and what you're going through. You know what? You can have what you want to have. It's just you getting out there and doing it. No more excuses, guys. This is it. No more excuses. No more, I can't have this because the world's upside down. I can't have this because I've got to do this and I've got to do that, blah, 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 blah. No, that is not productive. That is not positive. That is not who you are. You can have the life you want. You can have everything you want. You can manifest anything you want. It doesn't matter how bad the world is. It doesn't matter how upside down it is. No, it doesn't matter any of that. You can have it. You just have to be willing to work for it. Use your words. Use your skills. You don't have the skills? We have the skills to share with you. We have the skills to give you, to show you, to grow you. We have the skills, and we're willing to help you. There's a link in this description that is going to take you where you want to go. You have to have the initiative. You have to get down and dirty, and you have to say, I'm not using but. I have no more excuses. Where I'm at right now is where I put myself. Where I'm at right now, how I'm living, what I have, what I'm doing right now is because I put myself here. And don't be ashamed if you have money, if you have an abundance of wealth, if you have abundance of knowledge. Definitely share that knowledge. Help people to get out there to get so they can have it too. There's more than enough of everything for everybody. There is more than enough. So no more excuses. No more I can't but. I could but. That word but will take you down, and like I said, it's like a house holding you down. Once you get down and you let that but, and you give excuses for everything, you give excuses for why you don't have something, you have what you have put yourself in vibration to have. You will have, if you want to have money, if you want to have stacks of money, then I suggest you work for it, and I suggest you create it. Simple. Plain and simple. Okay? So definitely, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and here on the FB. Please comment. I want to hear your comments. I want to hear what you're doing, and I want to hear how it's going for you. And please like it and share this video. Okay, guys? I will chat with you later. Have a super blessed day, and do not use the word but, I could, but. Don't do that. I don't want to hear that at all. No. And like I said, it's not what you're sitting on. It's the word that is a vibration that will hold you down. Okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Have a really blessed day, okay? Okay, bye-bye.